Welcome back! In this lesson, we will see how we can set up Salesforce Knowledge step by step. In this demo, we will see the steps necessary to set up Salesforce Knowledge. We'll first activate Salesforce Knowledge. We will then set up the data categories that we will leverage. We'll add an article to our knowledge database, and we will publish that article and see how it looks like on a case. So, let's get going. So in order to configure knowledge inside of Salesforce, we need to access the right setup menu. Up till now, we used the normal setup menu, which you can find right there, under Setup. In order to configure knowledge though, we will find most of the features we need inside of the service setup. The service setup is very neat because it gives you very easy to follow wizards that will configure most of the features for you. And this is what we are going to use here. You can see the knowledge setup on the screen at the bottom right corner of my screen right now. So we are going to click on knowledge setup to start the wizard. It is going to set up a few things for us already, and then we will go ahead and configure a few other things starting from there. So let's press knowledge setup. Let's press start. Here, Salesforce is asking us who do we want to assign the authoring permissions to in your Salesforce organization. Those people are the people that will be able to create articles inside of your system. Here we only have one user, so of course I'm going to select myself, but in your organization you need to select those people very carefully so that only those who can create articles have the permissions to do so. The next thing that the wizard asks us is to create our data category groups and our data categories. Now in this wizard, we can only create one data category group. I will show you later on how you can create a second one. Here, let's create a data category group named products. And inside of the data category, we are going to put two data categories for two of our products. We are going to click Add another data category to add a second one. And once that's done, we will press Next. This is complete. We now have Lightning Knowledge fully set up. We can press the Finish button.